Alright gang, just going to do a little bit of double digit multiplying here. Let's see, 2 times 3 is 6, 4 times 2 is 8. Oh, okay, 23 times 42 is 86. Because see, what I did was 2 times 3 was 6, and 4 times 2 was 8. Yeah, sure. Okay, I've done some double digit. Oh no, beware, beware. Stop, stop, stop. Actually, this is not how you do double digit. Guys, a lot of you are telling me that you're just doing the double digit the regular way. This is not the regular way. This is the incorrect way. I am so sorry to have to be the one to tell you, but yes, this is the correct way. And I really need you to stop doing this. No, stop. Not allowed. And I know what you're doing. You have the way of doing it over at McClenny. Let me rephrase that. Over at your elementary school when you were adding. Now, if I were going to add 23 and 42, let's see what happens. Now, to add 23 and 42, ooh, that's really, really big, isn't it? Alright, so we can get that down some. 23 and 42. We do add column by column. First you start with your ones, and you add all your ones column, like 2 plus 3. Of course, you know 2 plus 3 is 5. And then you add your next column over, in this case happens to be your tens column, 4 plus 2. And you say, oh, that's 8. 4, 5, 6, that's 6. I know that. And for addition, that is the way you do it. But gang, it does not work for multiplication. 23 times 42. And you want to do 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. We can't do that. We got to stop. You're telling me that's the regular way, but in reality, it's the incorrect way. So you ask, what is the correct way? You can use one of the following. You can use lattice. Remember that? You can use what we call the big zero. This is the way most of our parents learned back in the day. You can use model area model. Or you could use distributive property. Distributive property. That's the way we would do double digit multiplication. Now, I'll go ahead and work this out. 23 times 42. Is that it? Yeah, 42. I'm going to use a big zero. So the first thing I need to do, I need to start with my ones place down here on the bottom number. And I will go 2 times 3. The 2 times 2. So let's go ahead and do that. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. Am I through yet? No, not yet. It really doesn't make sense. I mean, if I were to take the number 23 and put it down 42 times and add it up 42 times, I would only get 46. Does that make sense? No, it doesn't make sense, does it? So the big zero, now that I am through with my 2, I go back and I multiply everything by 4. But before I start the second row, first I add the big zero. Now I do 4 times 3, which is 12. Carry your 1. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus that 1 is 9. So now I'll come back and I'll find the sum of that. 6 plus nothing is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. 9 plus nothing is still 9. Now, compare this number to the original number we would have got if we'd have done it the incorrect way. 966, how does that compare to the number 86? Wow. This is like tons larger. 966 compared to 86, and 86 isn't even 100. It rounds to 100, but 966 is way more than 86. So please be careful when you're rounding and do it the correct way. All right, have fun. I should have said please be careful when you are multiplying. You guys know how to round pretty good. All right, see you in class.